Hi, I'm Mike Cairns, head of Ram Truck Engineering. We're here today talking about the Ram 1500 Rebel. This is a new model we're just launching. As you can see, awesome off-road looking truck, but it's also got chops to deliver that. We use our four-corner air suspension and we set the ride height 1 inch higher than normal to give us best-in-class ground clearance of over 10 inches. And you can also see we are able to fit a beautiful 33-inch Toyo open country all-terrain TA tires. Awesome tire, love these tires. They not only deliver great mud and snow traction, but they also have really good on-road ride and handling. Very important, of course, to our customer because we have a great ride in this truck. We didn't want to give it up just because you get an off-road truck. The interior also is just awesome. You have to get some shots of that. Really cool looking, really accenting, and letting the customer know this is something special.
Grill, is it just aesthetic, or does it have some cooling function to it?
The grill, that's one of the things when you do new grills. Obviously, the styling guys, we work very closely with our product design office guys. We have to make sure it still delivers good aerodynamics as well as good cooling airflow. So there's a lot of work goes into that. We actually take it in the wind tunnel to develop the shape and the size to make sure we still can deliver the awesome tow capability of a Ram Hemi as well as the good aerodynamics and fuel economy that we deliver in all our powertrains.
There's been some really concerns from the hardcore range contention that this is the new grill for the whole line. Is that just specific to this package for now, or?
That's a great question. Is this the new grill of all Ram? No. This is a unique model. We really wanted to signify that this is something special and different. So the traditional Ram crosshair grills are still out there in all our other models, but we really wanted this to look different and really have this very aggressive, that matte black look gives it a tough, aggressive look.
I'm guessing the price isn't available yet.
We'll have pricing.
Do you have a higher range vehicle though?
Pardon me?
It'll be more of a premium trim.
Yes. Yeah, this model, though we haven't announced pricing, will be somewhere kind of above a Bighorn package, somewhere between Bighorn Sport model, that kind of thing. So a little bit of a premium price, but not bad. I think you'll all be very happy with the pricing once we announce it.
Everything we see standards on this truck.
Yes. There are options, I shouldn't say. Sorry. This does feature Ram box, which is an option. There are options within the package. It is a new model that will have a bunch of other freestanding options.
The air suspension is set higher. Is that in standard setting? It rides higher than, say, a regular half-ton range?
Exactly. So, sorry, I look at you over here. Exactly. By using the four-corner air suspension, we set the normal ride height 1 inch higher than the normal 4x4. So it'll run around at all speeds at that higher ride height. We do offer, though, the same feature. You can turn on the aero mode where if you're over about 60 miles an hour, it'll drop down to improve aerodynamics and highway speeds. But you can turn that off also if you want. And then there's also an additional off-road mode which will raise the truck another inch over what you see here. And then the park entry-exit position, which will lower the truck. Now that it's an inch higher, it actually lower about 3 inches for ingress, egress, and of course using the bed, getting in and out of the bed, loading gear, which is really great. I use it all the time.
The speed limit on the off-road mode?
Yeah, in the high off-road mode, about 25 miles an hour. We will drop down then to the normal ride height. In a regular 4x4, this ride height would normally only be allowed up to about 45 miles an hour, but we've retuned the suspension with the Bilstein shocks, changed the geometry a little bit, so it still handles great even at higher speeds. So this ride height will stay, if you want, up to its top speed.
Are the components built up to any other ramp? Any of your rise of suspension, for instance, will built up to?
It'd be a very expensive, because the air suspension is all unique. If you had an air suspension, we're not making available the different controller to change a regular air suspension to set at this ride height, because there is geometry changes, and we've done all the dynamic tuning with these tires, these shocks, and that ride height.
Towing levels comparable to your trucking lineup?
The tow ratings all stay the same as the regular 3.6 4x4, the 5.7 4x2, 4x4.
Comes 10 star or Hemi. There's no eco diesel? Was there any consideration of eco diesel?
Sure. We considered putting the eco diesel in. We love that engine. We're very proud of it, but we have such demand right now. We're looking at increased capacity, so we really felt on this model we just at this time stick with the gas engine off this.
Interior standard leather are all running.
Yes, the interior, that's standard interior, awesome looking, beautiful, and that's in the Rebel package.
Every exterior color?
Yeah, there are 5 exterior colors.
But the red comes with the exterior?
Yes, yeah, and that's why we limited it to 5 colors, because we wanted to make sure that interior matches with all the exterior colors.